that was the pack of 32. These next two are going to be a little bit smaller version of them. These, you know, if you maybe are traveling for a long time and you have access to laundry, or if you're like, well, my parents have laundry, so like it's not a big deal. I don't need to bring my own stuff. But if you're going somewhere, or maybe you are staying somewhere temporarily and you just need some laundry pods, this might be a little bit better option for you. I don't know. The size variations, of course, going to be to each personal preference. That's going to be up to you. But this one is the same thing, the 5-in-1 pods, but this is going to be the pack of 12. So it's a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact, maybe a little bit easier, like I said, to transport. This is in the rose scent. This one you can definitely smell like the rose like fragrance. It's if you're, you know, someone who's not a big fan of rose or rose water smell, then this might not be your favorite, but it's definitely very aromatic. You can see compared to the lavender, the middle detergent is pink, so you know, a little bit difference with the color, but that's not going to impact, of course, how it works. This is made with natural plant extract. They, of course, are going to help protect the element of your clothing by, of course, helping to remove stubborn stains, and it will absolutely rinse clean every time, so you don't have to worry about there being any little residue from this like left over. I know, again, that, like I said, you know, previously, that can be some people's concerns, that they don't pop or disintegrate the whole way, but I think that's, again, I don't know why the before or after you put your clothes in, like, placement of this really matters, but apparently that's what they recommend. Again, this has the ability to work on all fabrics, so sweaters, delicates, you know, your whole colors, whites, all that good stuff. You don't have to worry about like being super separate with that. So it just says powerful cleaning formula, has a multifunctional 3-cavity design. Clean, soft, and protect the clothing with one-time washing, skin friendly without stimulation, and of course protect your fabric fiber, leaving a lasting color, vibrancy, and yes, making it smell super nice. So again, these are just going to be in a smaller component, nothing super different or crazy in regards to the actual product, but yes, you are getting a pack of 12 and a little bit smaller size. So you know, whatever you may need a small one for, I think I will keep this, you know, if I'm traveling for like an extended period of time, and we do like to stay in like Airbnbs or like house styled you know, vacation rentals, so they do usually have laundry, so this wouldn't be a bad idea. Or if you're someone who does, you know, have to go somewhere to do your laundry, these are just really easy to get, you know, take with you if you don't have in-home units. So for 6 bucks for 12, that's, you know, under was it like 50 cents per one, something like that. Math, not really my favorite, but nonetheless, again, the fragrance is really, really delicious. Just to point out the other ones as well, you know, you can see here are the lavender ones, same as the ones in the big container. They just have, you know, here's the purple. Yeah, this one smells delicious. Big fan of clean laundry scents over here. Definitely are healthy and smell good. So if you are someone who's not a huge fan of the pods, don't worry, we did not leave you out. We do absolutely